Good afternoon, 3rd of June 2020, video of coronavirus and cruise situation. 1st of July, Iberia, it is going to start the flights in Spain, and I believe that there is some kind of 50%, 20%, 70% control. I believe it is going to be more into what countries have this virus. For example, if you are in, say, Philippines and have very little coronavirus plus a test, plus they have measures of 50% in the plane, if you control yourself and not having risky behaviors like 2 meters distance and so on, then if you arrive into Spain, which also has under control this coronavirus, for example, here in the Basque country, we have only 200 active cases and all of them controlled. So that if there is a chain of infection, that it is, or everybody is controlled. So this, I believe, is going to be the tendency. I have not seen in the news or in associations any effort in order to have the tests available on board ships. I am continuously asking for this. It is very important. We have gotten to improve via the airport agents because they require a doctor to do this test. It must be some kind of very complicated system to pinch your finger, and blood is a red thing that we have in the finger, and then we must put it in the place like if it is to know that whether I am pregnant or not pregnant, and if it does go this line up or down. So this is very complicated, and you need, say, a doctor's degree in order to do this test. So it is something that I would really like to see how we can improve this area. Other countries like Honduras was going to start last Friday. Today is Tuesday. No, it's Wednesday. Monday we had problems for this travel. Tuesday we have had problems again, and Wednesday for the 4th time we are going to try to get the first team out of the country. Other countries are having huge problems for intercontinental flights, and I hope they understand that if the seafarers get these tests, then it is safe to have them fly. Seafarers bring amazing amounts of money to your country, dear President, dear Prime Minister. They bring money from abroad. Yes, and so they bring this money every month. They bring this money, say, 100,000 seafarers, 50,000 seafarers. They are of enormous value to your economy. You seem not to have made this calculation. It's very simple. It is 24,000 euros times 100,000 seafarers. This is the whole value that your economy, it is benefiting directly. Now, dear Prime Minister, let's go back to basics. If you did not get this, then you can multiply by 20, because if I bring $24,000 to my country, then I buy a bicycle, I buy books for my kids, I pay electricity, and this in turn, then this, let's say, the bread shop, the milk shop, then they also buy other woods, that they also buy other woods. So the direct job and the indirect job, for example, if you destroy the Nissan factory in Spain last week, is 3,000 jobs done. But indirect jobs is times 10, 30,000. Well, I believe it's much bigger. But please think, dear Prime Minister, that the Peruvian crew, that the international crew that are going to bring money to your country, multiply by 10. These crew members are heroes. I hope that you understood now in this coronavirus, once and at last, that these seafarers must go and get the jobs, because they bring a lot of money to your country. They are not going to stop doing this. The seafarers are heroes. They need the tests. Please, please, please. They have priority in the airports everywhere. Please, just do it. Thank you. Good luck.